Follow these steps to add custom notification sounds on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download any of these sounds to your device. For that, you can launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in free notification sound and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to any of the website, check out the ringtones and download it to your Files app. Just click on Download option. After the ringtone has been downloaded, open it, click on Share option and click on the option Save to Files. Once you have saved the notification to the Files app, you can head over to GarageBand app. You'll need to download this app. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Now different options will appear. Scroll and select the option Audio Recorder. Click on it. Now click on the option OK. Now at the top left, you're gonna find this icon. Over here, click on it. Now go ahead and click on this blue icon given at the top middle. It will turn white. Then click on this loop icon given at the top left. Go ahead and select the option Files. Then click on the option Browse Items from the Files app. Here you're gonna find the list of the notification that you have saved. Select the one that you wanna set as a ringtone for your device. Click on it. It's gonna appear over here. Now you have to import this song to this app, so press and hold on it and add it to the track. Once you have added this notification, you can click on this icon given at the top left to save this ringtone. Click on My Songs. Now in the recent section, you'll be able to find your notification, or else you can click on the option of Browse and over here you're gonna find that song. Now you'll need to export the downloaded notification as a ringtone, so press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Select the option Ringtone. Now give it a name. I'm gonna give it as Today. Then click on the option Export. Now I can close this, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Sound and Haptics. Click on any of it, ringtone, text tone. And over here you're gonna find this section where you will find the ringtone that you have exported. Check in for it. Now the selected sound will be set as notification on your device. So this way you are able to add custom notification sounds on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.